Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a garage on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by drawing out my walls in 2D mode. I'm then going to add a garage door and windows to the design. I'm then going to swap into the 3D mode to resize and adjust them. I'm then searching the catalogue for a polished concrete texture to apply to my floors. I'm changing the texture size on the panel on the right. Next I'm adding some track lights. I'm swapping to the 2D ceiling plan option and using the ruler to measure out where I would like the lights to be. In this case, I'm measuring out quarters. I'm then moving and resizing my lights to these markers. I'm now adding a car from the catalogue. I'm using this as my guide for how much space I have left in my garage for storage. I'm also adding some industrial shelving units to the back wall. I'm searching the catalogue for items such as storage boxes and paint to store on these shelves. I'm also adding a bike from the catalogue. I've chosen a wall-mounted bike to make the most of the wall space. I'm also adding a helmet and resizing it to fit my shelves. Next, I'm customising some of the boxes by changing their textures. I'm now going to create a wood store using a wooden storage box and wood stock from the catalogue. I'm resizing both to fit my space. I'm using the clone tool to efficiently add wood to the store. I'm then rearranging each one a little to make them look more realistic. Next, I'm adding a broom from the catalogue and changing the colours using preloaded textures. I'm also adding some cleaning supplies from the catalogue and storing them on the shelves. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can change the internal and external lighting and the environment at this point. To get a preview of the render, click the button in the middle of the screen. When you are happy, click the Take Render button. Use the 4K option for the best quality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.